Awesome. So this is a really, really, really good open source React Native and React Native web project that you can check out, built with Expo, I believe. Let me find the repo. So it's about NFTs and sharing these types of things. Um, some cool imagery, right? Some kind of weird, but yeah. Just visit, go to the GitHub. It's like Showtime, right? Showtime.xyz. Very quickly, and you will find all the code really for that project I just shared. Now they use a framework called Solito um, for server-side rendering, React Native and Next.js server-side rendering, and I have Expo, of course, which I have. Actually, no, Expo.dev is Expo.io. Yes, not my dashboard, please. Thank you very much. Oh, actually, it still does that. Docs.expo.dev. Let's do that. Yeah, so they use Expo, right? This tool. Um, oof, okay, that's weird. Some weird routing going on there. But Expo, they use that amongst other things. Let's take a look very quickly at the package JSON. I always like looking at the package JSON. Lots of config files, pretty standard stuff. Tons of patches, right? I'll probably make a video on patch package, right? To do they have patches for different things to do, to do uh, to achieve different things with their work, which is common. Let's look at the package JSON real quick. So lots of scripts, a lot of start scripts, par for the course really. Lots of dependency management, right? Can't get around the dependency management because, bruh, React Native is the ghetto when it comes to these things. And yeah, just a lot going on. Okay, looks like this doesn't even have the dependencies, actually. I'm curious how this works. But yeah, it's just a great project to explore. Oh, they have workspaces. They're using your own workspaces. So they have an Expo app, a Next.js app, storybooks. So each of these will have their own package JSONs. Let's look at the Expo app. Or actually, I just showed you the website, right? So let's look at the Next.js app. In fact, pro tip: you press the period on your keyboard when you're looking at a repo, and you get a live, um, you get a live environment, right? Like VS Code on the web, just like that. So, yeah, we can very quickly visit some one of your workspaces, apps, Expo. Check out the package JSON there, and lots of scripts, right? Some respect on their name, and lots of dependencies, basically. So you can see the different dependencies just so you're more aware of the ecosystem and what's available. They also have their own in-house design system that is also defined, I believe, in somewhere in this project. So you can see what they had to create from scratch and what your options are really for the different things you want to do for your own project, right? Because quite a few heavy hitters worked on this. So you can basically use their wisdom, right, to get around it. Like, I mean, this guy used to make fantastic videos on, like, for on his Patreon and a bunch of other stuff. So, yeah, just check it out, right? And just use that wisdom to inform your own decisions, right, in whatever it is that you are building. So yeah, I'll call it here. That's about that. Demoed Showtime.xyz, a fantastic open source project for you to enjoy. Till next time. How do I stop this video? And that's all right. And cut. Nope, that's not it. And action.